Hello students of class 8, this is Shahbaz sir here. Welcome to your online class of science. Okay students, in the previous class we started chapter 9, reproduction in animals. Okay, there I taught you, in the starting I taught you what do you mean by sexual reproduction, where two parents are involved. Okay, then you studied about gametogenesis, the process by which gametes are formed in a human body. Okay, then we studied about the male reproductive system and the female reproductive system. Okay, the parts which form reproductive system of a human male and a human female. Okay, then we studied about ovulation. What is ovulation? Then fertilization steps, or in simple terms we can say the process by which life continues in this world, or the process by which life is brought in this world. Okay, the steps of fertilization, how a simple zygote becomes an embryo, then fetus, and then a human as it comes out from the mother's womb. So that was all about sexual reproduction. Okay, now in this class we will start the second half of the chapter. Okay, so first topic in today's class is viviparous and oviparous animals. Okay, this is a very simple term which means that viviparous are those animals which give birth to young ones. जो animals young ones मतलब एक animal अपनी ही तरह दूसरे animal को produce कर रहा है, that animals or those animals are called viviparous animals. Can you give me an example of a viviparous animal? It's very simple. Viviparous animals can be human beings. They can be human beings. They can be your monkey. Okay, they all are cow. They all are viviparous animals. Then what are oviparous animals? Oviparous animals are those animals which lay eggs. Animals which lay eggs. Okay, those are called oviparous animals. Example, there are numerous examples. You can example of fishes, frogs, birds. They all are oviparous animals. Okay, in your but there is an exception. Every rule has an exception. In reptiles and birds, the eggs are fertilized inside the female body. The eggs are fertilized inside, while in fishes and frogs the eggs are fertilized outside the female body. Okay, so what we have studied in the starting, that the animals which give birth to young ones are called viviparous animals, while the animals which give lay eggs are called oviparous animals. Example are human beings and monkeys, while oviparous animals like birds and reptiles. Viviparous animals example, human beings. Okay, now the next topic is life cycle of a frog. How does a new frog comes into existence? Whatever snapshots I had sent student, you can see clearly there is a cycle given called life cycle of a frog. So what is the first step? The first step in life cycle of a frog is that a female frog lays a bunch of hundreds of eggs called spawn. जो female frog होती है, it lays hundreds of eggs, बहुत सारे eggs देती है, जिनको हम क्या कहते हैं? spawn, SPAWN, spawn. उन eggs के ऊपर एक jelly coating होती है, jelly coating. अब male frog आके what does a male frog do? It deposits the sperm over those eggs. Now the eggs, as it receives the sperm from the male frog, it hatches into tadpole larva. It hatches into, the egg breaks into tadpole larva. These tadpoles are fish-like and they swim in water. These tadpoles are fish-like and they swim in water. Third step क्या है? What is the third step? That these tadpoles, they start feeding on aquatic plants. पानी के अंदर जो plants होते हैं उन पे ये फीड करने लगते हैं, एंड दे स्टार्ट टू ग्रो, देन दे लूज देयर टेल्स एंड डेवलप लेग्स. ठीक, देन दे लूज देयर टेल्स एंड डेवलप legs, and finally it grows into a frog. This process by which a tadpole larva grows into an adult frog is called metamorphosis. It's called metamorphosis. Now let us quickly understand life history of a frog. I'll explain you in Hindi so that you understand pretty well. Okay, सबसे पहले फीमेल फ्रॉग hundreds of eggs देती है वाटर में. उन एग्स के ऊपर मेल फ्रॉग आके अपने स्पर्म डिपॉजिट कर देता है. एज द एग्स रिसीव द स्पर्म दे हैच, एग्स टूट जाते हैं और अंदर से छोटे छोटे फ्रॉग्स निकलते हैं जिनको हम कहते हैं टैडपोल लार्वा जिनको कहते हैं. टेल व्हेन दीज लार्वास कम आउट, ये बहुत छोटे छोटे होते हैं और उनकी टेल होती है. दे स्टार्ट फीडिंग ऑन एक्वेटिक प्लांट्स, जो वाटर के अंदर प्लांट्स हैं उन पे ये फीड करने लगते हैं. दे बिगेन टू ग्रो. एज दे बिगेन टू ग्रो वो टेल गायब हो जाती है एंड लेग्स बिगेन टू अपीयर. ठीक है, एंड देन फाइनली दे ग्रो इनटू अ न्यू frog. So this is life cycle of a frog. This process by which a larva becomes into or turns into adult frog is called metamorphosis. Okay, in the next video we'll study about life cycle of a butterfly and certain asexual reproduction methods. Okay.